Hey, I ain't turned this thing on in a minute, boy. Today we're gonna go to the gun range with my cousin, younger brother. We're shooting the old Glock 19, and then my buddy has a Christmas present for me, so we're gonna go pick that up and go to the range. I think my cousin has a Glock as well and a AR-15, so we'll see y'all there.
I see. You got ammo in there already?
Just picked this up off of my friend. This is the gun I got for Christmas from my homie. So I'm gonna shoot this and all these other guns. I don't know about that 7.62 though. That seems like a little too much for me. But this is gonna be next, right here. Got that Draco in the cut.
You think you could? Look at my fucking. No, that shit would blow your hand up, bro. Look at my gun.
My boy's got a recoil booster on this thing too, bro. Keep going. I think there's one more. Keep going. There's one more.
That was great.
Bro got the AR, the Glock.
Some Zach over there.
Homie's got the Draco. 7.62 by 39. I got the Glock 19. Extended clip.
That was a beast, bro. That was crazy.
Just pull it back. Yeah, just pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back. I don't know why it's doing that.
Maybe the mag, fool.
Could be.
Let me take it.
I can't see out of this, bro.
You can though.
Alright, that's enough for me. That's enough for me.
Too big.
Oh,
You hit an arm twice, dog.
hey,
Where's she
man.
at? Let me see. Is she dead?
Nah, she's not
She's,
dead.
her arm's missing.
Maybe I shot her once in a while. So
She's gonna have an amputee.
Paying off, man. Look at this. One
You shoot? Go ahead.
at a 32.
Yeah,
No, I don't know what it was. Call of Duty paying off, baby. This one got a Draco 7.62. You about to shoot this, hoe?
yes, sir. Let me see what's up.
See, I got you, bro.
Calling it right now. I'm going for that X right there in the middle.
The X in
Let's see.
the middle.
See your aim.
Let's see the aim. What'd you hit? Let's see if you see the hit the edge.
I got close.
You got
I got
pretty
all.
close.
I got all around it. except
All
that.
around it.
Bullshit. Need to get that AR, damn it.
I don't know why it's jamming. That
This is safety.
yeah. COD zombie starter
Bro,
gun.
bro,
You gotta
you
have
see the
enough
muzzle
pressure
flash
on
on
the
there?
backside for it to pull the trigger.
Yeah. Look.
Bro, if you put fucking incineraries in this bitch, it turn a Mustang and Sally.
Mustang and Sally out for Call of Duty.
Yeah. Back, I gotta figure out why it's jamming.
By the way, I sold it.
You know you're supposed to push this down right here when you shoot it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Pull this in there.
All right, thank you guys for watching today. The video today was just a compilation of a day at the range with my little brother, cousin, and their friend. We got this new bad boy for Christmas, the MC 1911 Gearson. Shout out to Victor Bout. I appreciate your brother for this one. But yeah, this is gonna be my new toy, along with my Glock in the back. We're gonna try to buy attachments and put them on there and see what they look like in months' time. But thank you guys for watching. Like I said, was just a compilation of different clips that I got. There was no real structure to the video. We kind of just got in there and started shooting, so I didn't even tell anybody that I was going to record. So that's going to be it for today. I know I've been slacking on the videos. I haven't really picked up the camera in a while, but hopefully going to start a new job soon and have the weekends off, more time to do things, and just record anything and everything that I do to post it. And just try to put as much videos out as I can next year. But yeah, so that was a day at the range with my brothers, cousin, and their friend. If you like it, comment, like, sub, all that good stuff, and I greatly appreciate you guys. Actually, we just reached like 10,000 views on the channel with the Day in the Life of a Pepsi merchandiser. I'll put a tag up top if you want to watch that. But so all I need now is 1,000 subs. I think I'm at like 150 or something like that. So 900 subs to go, and we can start making revenue on videos, which is pretty cool to think about. But yeah, so if you guys are new here, like the video, comment what I can do better, and sub. Appreciate it.